OK，我家讲走，
我在轿车里。
我家讲错了。OK，
好，我待会儿就到。待会儿就到。
I already forgot the first thing that you told me now.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yo, what going on, people? You already know who teacher, you already know what it is. It's your boy Pretty Pablo, and I'm back again with another banger video. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, I'm joined with
Philip.
Philip.
Yes.
Okay, can you like introduce yourself more?
Yeah, so I'm from Cape Town.
Okay.
Philip, turning 29.
Okay.
And yeah. Okay. Moved to Cape Town last year.
Okay. That's actually dope. I'm shooting a mukbang with Philip. Am I pronouncing your name right?
Yeah, Philip.
Okay. So I'm shooting a mukbang with Philip. So it's about to get lit. I'm asking him some questions in his language, and he also be asking me some questions in my language. Yeah. So we'll take it from there. Without further ado, we're gonna jump into the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do the most. Please tell them to like, comment, subscribe on Pretty Pablo's channel.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So, okay, let me start. How do you call women in your language?
Woman.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you say woman? Or you say girl or woman? You say new high.
New high.
But only with it's a different word for many. It's a most beautiful woman.
Okay.
New high.
Okay.
New high.
I got it right. New high. Is that way?
My Chinese is shit though.
Okay. Okay. New high. Okay. That's nice. And food? And food?
Food is食物. I think it's 食物. Yeah. It's hard. It's a Chinese. It's gonna be difficult to get the tones right.
Okay. At least I'm trying my best, guys. So don't roast me in the comment below. Just comment if I'm getting it right or not. Yeah, the main goal is I should speak Chinese at the end of the day. I should speak their language as fast as possible.
At least it's trying.
At least I'm trying, yes sir.
Right. But what's your main language? What's your first language?
French.
But you didn't know how to speak Kosa?
Nah, not really.
Oh, okay. Or French. How do you say food in French?
Food in French. That's not actually my main language, French, but that's like food, la nourriture.
Okay.
They say la nourriture or le nourriture. Le nourriture is like plenty of food.
Okay.
Or la nourriture is like a plate of food.
Oh, okay.
Like food.
Yes. I see. That's complicated, yo.
It's complicated, yeah.
Le nourriture.
Yeah, le nourriture. Oh, they saying a le nourriture. Okay. I actually got it.
How's that? I think that's soft shell crab. What you eating there?
Oh, this is dope. This is my first time trying this flavor.
Pretty good.
Bossing. Okay. So my other question is, how do you call
boats? Boats. 船. Say 船. That's boats, yeah.
And people?
People. 人. Say 人. It's like R-E-N. 人.
Yeah. Okay.
Ren.
That's so easy. So if I want to say,
But there's a lot of people.
no, I want some people in my boat.
Mm-hmm.
How can I say that?
You say, 我要人在我船上.
No, that's difficult. No, I
我要
Oh yeah.
人. Well, I mean, if you say there's a lot of people, it's like 很多人. If you say you want people in your boat, it's like我要人在船上.
Okay. Let me take it slow.
船. No, tones in Chinese is hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Even for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because on my home language, I grew up learning English.
Okay. Yeah, but I want to learn it. You can go with me slow. Go on.
Yeah.
You can go with me slow, ne?
Okay.
Okay, let's take it from there. There's a lot of people on my boat.
Oh, there's a lot of people.
On my boat, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot. If you say there's a lot of people, so 很多人
Honduran.
means there's a lot of people.
Okay.
在我船上.
在我船上.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Bossing.
But yeah, that means there's a lot of people on my boat.
Okay.
很多人在
So can you say the full thing now?
很多人在我船上.
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 Oh, 很多人在我船上.
Yes. Oh, I mean, kind of.
Okay.
It's pretty good actually.
Oh wow,
It's good that you don't put in the accent in there. Most people, when they try to speak Chinese, they put the accent in there, but they don't realize when you speak Chinese, you don't have that accent. You have the accent only when you speak in English.
Oh. Okay.
Chinese accent, but
Okay.
yeah, you're pretty on point.
I'll probably forget this as soon as.
Tone's alright though. My tone's alright. Yeah.
Okay. You can also ask.
So how do you know French?
It's my house though. I can say it in my house.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, because my mother speaks French. My mother do speak French. My dad speak French.
I see.
And yeah.
So what's the difference between Creole and French? Because I've heard of Creole. Isn't that
What do you say?
Creole?
Creole.
That's another
Use the
language.
word though. Another language from where?
Creole. I think they call it Creole. I think it's what like the Malawians speak. Or it's also like Frenchish, I think. Like,
Oh. No, I've never heard of that though.
Creole. Oh, okay.
Creole.
You can have some.
I only speak.
You can have some of these as well.
I only speak French. Only because I'm Congolese.
Okay.
I speak French, the Puerto Lingala, understanding Lingala, Swahili. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
But there is many languages like YouTube. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But you can ask me in any language. I can figure out.
Okay, how do you say there's a lot of people on my boat in Costa?
In Kosa. I'm not so good in
Oh yeah.
I was so good in Kosa.
In French. Let's do French.
Beaucoup de personnes.
Jesus is Lord!
Wait. I'm also struggling with my language. Because it's been a while, just grew up speaking French. And, okay.
But you can read and write though, right?
Yeah. Okay, let me not. Okay, this word, let me just shift it in other language that I can speak with. Okay. Let me say Swahili.
Okay.
Peko, Bantu, Bamingi, Mubot. Mubot is like in the boat.
I see.
I don't want to say on the boat. Let me just say.
Where's the origin of Swahili?
Congo.
Congo. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you guys speak French and
Swahili.
What about English?
Mm-mm.
No English. Oh. So the French would be English there.
Like
Would be the
school.
medium.
Yeah.
Like a lot of okay. Yeah, that's
School,
interesting.
English and some.
So you grew up in Congolese?
What?
No,
Congo.
I grew up here,
I grew up here.
but I'm from.
But how long was the last time you went back home?
I've never.
Never. Oh my word. So why did you guys come here? Why did your parents family come here?
It was they wanted me to study here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's why I had to come here.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to come over here. But it's a nice place though.
It's nice.
But if they'll tell me to go back to visit, yeah, I'll go visit. So if they tell you to go back to your country right now, would you go?
So,
Depend on the.
and Taiwan in China, I love it because it's so. I love it for me, because I've grown up in South Africa.
Okay.
There's a language barrier that I can't. But I can't. It's just very difficult to communicate with the people there because of my language barrier. I'm not so good with Chinese. I can just communicate, talk like. So there's a lot of things they would tell me and say to me. I'll be like, what? Say again? And I say again. I'll be like, sorry, I don't know what.
Oh.
Like, that type of thing.
Okay.
The other thing is it's beautiful. Like it's got, like it's beautiful, like man-made. It's artificially beautiful because it's a lot of buildings, lights. They make everything look beautiful. It's obviously nice. There's no natural beauty like there is in Cape Town, but not a lot of places have natural beauty like Cape Town. But the weather is a big factor.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's humid, especially during summer. Normally people go back to Asian countries when it's during winter. During winter there is not really that cold.
Okay.
The problem is, it's just the heat, man. The heat and the humidity. I'm not sure about that, if it's the same in Congo, but
It's the same though.
it's similar. Congo's quite humid, yeah.
Yeah. But is it
Stable.
overrated though?
Even Durban is humid.
Yeah.
Populated, you mean?
Populated.
Oh,
Yeah,
popular.
populated.
There's a lot of people. But the thing is, the infrastructure can sustain it.
Okay.
They put a lot of money into infrastructure development. You see public transport is amazing. Like, if South Africa was to be overpopulated, it would be an issue because we don't have proper public transport.
Okay.
There would be people mostly wanting to drive cars, and because of so many people, it's going to be congestion all the time.
Okay.
But in China and Taiwan, most people just walk. They walk everywhere, and you can do that because it's obviously it's very, very safe. There's very little crime where people would just steal your phone, stuff like that.
Okay.
In China and in Taiwan, no, basically.
How far
Compared
is
to here, absolutely no crime.
China in
Absolutely not like completely zero no crime, but like compared to here, it's very little. You know, and you walk everywhere. It's public transport. It's cheap as well. So even though it's overpopulated, it's easy to get from place to place. Yeah.
How can I say? Wait. I want to be rich. How can I say that? I can still shift it though.
I think I know how to say I want to have a lot of money.
Okay. How do you say it?
我要很多钱。
Sorry?
我要很多钱。
We is like me.
我要 Yes, I want.
Oh.
我要 That means I want. 我要 yeah. 很多 钱 Chan's money. Yeah.
Oh.
So I want a lot of money.
Okay,
我要很多钱。
Don't get it. 我要很多钱。
I mean, yeah. It's pretty good.
我要很多钱。
Yes.
Wow. I'll be like, Jackie Chan type style. 我要很多钱。
There's this one club called Gruff,
Okay.
and they play like hip hop. It's like they play hip hop music,
Yeah.
and they play a bit of like K-rap as well. And yeah, it was like
Okay.
very popular. It's amazing. The clubs in Asian countries are insane.
Okay.
They put a lot of money into it in terms of lights, music, sound systems, everything. It's like,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
That's nice. That's why I really love sushi because I was like, I want to experience the world. I want to go to China. I want to date the China girl first.
What?
It feels different when you date someone that, from someone that you want to date. It feels nice. It feels special. And even when you walk in the street, you'll be like, oh, you're dating a China lady.
It's definitely different as well.
Yeah. And I know for sure you have a China lady though.
I used to.
Yeah.
I was.
You used to.
So what happened? So we broke up
Okay.
like 3 months ago. But yeah, I was dating. She was Chinese, yeah.
Okay.
But before that, actually, I wasn't. She was actually my first Chinese girlfriend that I had.
Okay.
Before that, was a Muslim,
Muslim.
and then like Muslim colored,
Okay.
and Indian.
Okay.
Only recently did I start.
Muslim. I would date the. I'll say. I have dated the color.
Mm-hmm.
I have dated the color. Not that bad.
They don't know what do you mean.
Like, okay, you get different types of color.
Oh yeah.
You get those ones, and you get those clean ones, rich, and
Oh yeah.
yeah, sometimes you see. But I wouldn't mind dating them, you know, those rich type shit.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind dating those rich.
But not the
The ones, you know, the one we
flats,
see, the one we see in the streets, you know. Okay, let me say, come.
Jesus
Yeah,
is
yeah.
You
Lord.
speak Afrikaans though?
I can understand Afrikaans. I don't speak it.
Okay, so if I give you some words in Afrikaans, would you?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. They hate the car.
Huh?
They hate the car.
What?
Yo, I don't know what that is.
Okay, let me shift that. Ik was bij die weg, no.
Echoes?
Ik
By
was bij die weg. De
Bij-
weg. Ik was bij die weg, no.
I'm on the way now.
Ik was bij die weg. Weg.
Oh, I don't know what Vic is.
Work.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I understand a few words, but
Okay. Let me say
I
something.
understand all the words. Yeah, okay.
Oh. Okay. Let me say something. Let me say a line, so we can also repeat it. Okay. Away, bro. Ik was bij die weg, no. Okay.
Away, bro. Ik is by the Vic. No.
Yes, sir. So that Vic is like
Vic.
work. Vic.
Away, bro. I'm back the Vic. No.
Yeah.
Ik is by
By
the
the
Vic. No.
No. Like, away, bruh, I'm at work now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know the word, so if you say a word, I'll know what it is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then the sentence structure is the one that is what confuses me.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I have that lost?
Okay.
This is the
main thing.
this one was not too bad, right?
Yeah, this was dope.
We've had some of these as well, and this one as well.
Oh, it's awesome. Okay, wait. Let me go back to what you said. So you said you're not dating it at the moment. Okay. 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 What's your type, though?
What type? In terms of girl,
Yeah.
I used to be into thick girls. I think I like skinny now.
Yo. Okay.
But I think just like skinny. Yeah. Obviously, you know, nice personality. We get
Yeah.
along, kind, pretty, obviously,
Yeah.
but definitely more cute than. Yeah.
Okay. I've been to Longstreet. Okay.
No, I don't like it.
Don't like it. Why?
Too much. Too many young people, and crime, and you know, people just pickpocketing,
Yeah.
especially at night. During the day, it's fine. I think.
I've never heard of someone getting pickpockets and stuff like that.
Really, Wall Street is known for that.
Okay.
A lot of people trying to sell you drugs.
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
like just people being crazy.
I've heard of that guy.
Yeah, it's not it's like a lot of the decent clubs that normally I would go to or my friends would go to are normally not in Long Street.
Okay.
Waiting room is nice though.
Sorry?
Besides waiting room.
Yeah,
room is
waiting room is nice.
nice. I like that.
And drama?
I don't know what
Have
that
you heard? Oh.
China is the next level. Like in terms
Okay.
of money, is insane.
Okay.
So like how America has a lot of money. Like if you go to California,
Have you been
probably I've never actually no. My friends have, and they are completely.
But you're
nuts.
planning or you?
I want to.
Okay.
Just our exchange rate is so shit right now. I mean, if you go, you need to prepare yourself.
Okay.
Yo, imagine having to like go there and you look at the price and you have to times it by 20. Freaking hell.
It's too much.
Timesing it by 5 is already a lot.
Yeah.
20 or even 2 times is already a lot. Jesus. 9 times in 20.
Yeah. But I'm also planning to go there this year though.
Okay, nice.
Like,
Let's definitely go take a trip and
end of the
experience.
year. Yeah.
Where have you been though? You've been outside South Africa. Never. That's the thing.
That's a pity
Cape Town
though.
is so far from everything.
Yeah. How do you say car in your language?
车子 车 yeah 很多车
Okay.
车
Mm.
How do you say car in French?
La voiture.
Yo, that's French so complicated.
No.
What is it?
Wait, let me just finish it. La voiture.
La voiture. Yo, La voiture.
Mm.
Literally sounds like a car's name.
Yeah.
Could be a brand. La voiture.
No. Yeah,
Everything sounds in French sounds so fancy. As well.
Oh. Okay, say this. Je suis dans la voiture.
Eh?
Je suis dans la voiture.
Je suis dans la voiture.
Dans la voiture.
Dans la voiture.
Mm.
Yo, Hana.
That's like I'm in the car.
Oh, okay.
Je suis dans la voiture. Dogs?
Dogs?
Mm.
Go.
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 Go. Yes.
It's like you're saying go.
Kind of, basically, yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
Yeah.
I'm walking with the go. With the
I am
like I'm walking with the
Mhm.
dog.
dog. 我在跟狗散步。我在跟
What
狗
what
散步。
what is that now?
You're basically jogging with the dog, or you're walking
Oh.
with the dog.
Yeah, I was about to. I was asking that.
Yeah.
See?
我在跟狗散步。
Okay, take it slow. Take it slow.
I think it's terrible.
What?
My Chinese is so shit.
No, but it's good though.
If I go to Asian countries, I use Google Translate.
Oh.
I can't read. Alright. This is so freaking hard. You don't understand.
Oh. Go.
So we don't use the same alphabets. That's the thing.
Okay.
At least with French, you use English alphabets, right? When you,
No, it's
Yeah.
the same alphabet though.
yeah, same alphabet.
Same
you
alphabet.
use the English
but-
alphabet, yeah.
Yeah.
But in Chinese, it's different. Very different alphabet. Well, I guess. So there's actually in Chinese there's the traditional way of learning. There's the simplified. Chinese people use simplified. Taiwanese people use traditional, which is more complicated. Yeah. And they
Okay.
use a different alphabet system.
How do you say I'm in the taxi coming soon?
我在轿车里，待会儿就到了。
我在唱。
我在轿车，
Okay, take it slow. The first word is
我
我
在轿车
在唱球
What?
里，
B. Okay, 我在唱球，
我在轿车里
我在唱车里。
，yes，
Okay.
我待会儿就到，
Yo.
待会儿就到。
I already forgot the first thing that you told me now. Yo.
That's hard.
Is it the tongue that's playing?
It is a tongue, yeah.
Do you guys even use the tongue because it's just without? Oh yeah, it's a tongue.
Would you use the tongue? It's a lot of like, it's so different accents used differently as well. Some people use the a lot. They use the like 待会儿 so they kind of
Okay, let's do this. You give me some words that you want me to say to try and any random word.
random word.
Yeah, that I can try.
You can say my name is and then your name. 我的名字叫
What it means?
我的名字
What it means?
叫
So, oh,
Pablo.
okay. Guys, what it mean? Ciao, Pablo. Did I get it right?
我的名字
What it means?
my name 我的名字
What it means?
叫
Ciao.
Pablo.
What it means? Ciao, Pablo.
Yes. Perfect.
I got it right with the mean ciao.
我的名字叫 Pablo.
Okay. And the other one? I'm getting it.
我是 let's see. 我喜欢吃 sushi.
What you want is sushi.
我喜欢
What you want
吃
is
sushi.
Sushi. It sounds like what you want is sushi.
It sounds like
It sounds like English, but okay.
我喜欢吃
What you want to
sushi.
sushi?
Yeah.
What you okay? What you want to sushi? Oh, what is
Yeah.
it?
It means I like to eat sushi.
Oh. Okay, let me say it again. What you want to
Yes.
sushi?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Like correct?
Yeah. 我喜欢吃 sushi.
What you want to sushi? Whoa. Yo, I'll meet any random Chinese person. I'll be like, what you want to sushi? How do you
No, the accent. No, the accent.
not the accent?
Just say 我喜欢吃 sushi.
What you want to sushi?
Yes.
Okay, what you want to sushi? Okay, how do you say? I love you.
我爱你.
One.
我爱你. Yeah.
One. Ni
我爱
is
你.
you.
Yeah. You. 你 is you.
Okay.
我爱
One
你.
ni.
I love you. Yeah.
Okay.
Same.
How do you say you so horrible?
Huh?
You so horrible.
So horrible. Oh. I think 你很三八.
你很三八，
你很过分. 你很过分.
你很过分，
你很过分.
你很过分。
Yeah.
Okay.
你很过分.
你很过分。
Yeah.
How do you say you look like a mild night?
What's the definition of a Malnai? A crazy. A crazy. How do you say? What is it?
You look like a mild night.
A Malnai is basically. What's the translation of that?
You know what it is though?
It's like you look like a crazy dude. You
Yeah.
look like a crazy mother effer.
Yeah. Like a mild night.
I can say how you look crazy. I don't know. How to
Okay, you can
say.
say you look crazy.
你看起来像疯子.
你看像疯子。
Yeah. But that's not really an insult in Chinese though.
Oh.
Insult in Chinese is only like, if your mom.
Okay.
If your mom is a slave for all languages.
Yeah.
Like Afrikaans in Chinese,
Yeah.
so it's all about
Can
the
you speak
moms.
Afrikaans though?
Yeah,
Like okay.
the master puss. And in Chinese is 操你妈.
叫你妈
I mean, it's always the moms.
叫你妈 Yo, that's crazy.
操你妈.
叫你妈 Now, what words can you like say in Afrikaans?
Afrikaans.
Not swearing words though, but any word.
Anywhere. Like huis, werk,
Yeah.
kombuis, motor. What do we call it?
What is it?
Is that a car?
Yeah.
Motor. Yeah. Hond. Gaan. Just like all the basics.
Yes, guys, this was the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video to your best friend, to anybody that you want to share the video to. It's a banger video. Please follow him on his IG. What's your IG handle?
It's Philip with 2 L's, but after every letter it's a dot. P dot H dot I dot.
Yeah. So please follow him, show him some love, run him up. Are you also on YouTube?
No.
Okay, it's not the YouTuber.
I made a YouTube video, but it's not doing.
Okay. So run him up. Tell me what kind of videos that you guys want to see next on my channel. Comment down below if you like this video. Comment down below what word can they comment down below? Any Chinese word?
操你妈.
That's a swearing word, man.
I'm kidding.
Ciao, Nima. Comment down there if you can't spell it. Okay, I'll give you the spelling of it. I'll type it down for you guys. Ciao, Nima. Yeah, ciao, Nima. Yeah, man. Without further ado, we're gonna jump out of the video, man. And like, comment, subscribe, share. Without further ado, we out of the video, man. Cheers.
Okay, bye.